Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande, and today we're making lemon pepper buffalo wings. I love lemon pepper wings and I love buffalo wings. So it's the perfect combination of both, and we're making it in the air fryer. So we're not frying it in oil, we're doing it all in the air fryer. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And big ups to Not Healthy Clothing. You can check out my description below where you can cop these amazing tees or follow them on Instagram at Not Healthy Clothing. It's What's in the Pot. Thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. So the chicken I'm using 5 whole chicken wings, or you can use 10 split chicken wings. Now we're gonna season it with Kinder's lemon pepper seasoning. I really love this lemon pepper seasoning, and we're adding about 2 teaspoons worth. Once you add that lemon pepper seasoning, make sure the chicken, every piece of that chicken wing gets covered in that lemon pepper seasoning. Make sure you give it a good massage. Then we're going to be adding about a teaspoon of this Traeger Rub. The Traeger Rub is really good. It complements the lemon pepper. It has a little bit of paprika, a little bit of chili. So you get a little bit of that smokiness. It's got a little bit of basil, oregano. It's perfect rub to complement with your lemon pepper. And it will pair perfectly with our buffalo sauce that we're making. So it won't be too sour. It won't be too salty. It's just going to be perfect. I'm telling you, it's the best buffalo sauce you'll ever try. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these into the air fryer. I've preheated my air fryer for 400 degrees at 5 minutes. So whatever your air fryer preheat setting is, go ahead and preheat it before you put the chicken in. And then once you've popped that chicken in there, we're gonna go ahead and spray with a little bit of that olive oil spray. Now I like putting my chicken wings in this way because I want towards the end for it to be a little bit more crispy on the front side of the chicken wings, if that makes sense. So pop them in like this, and then we're gonna be putting that on at 380 degrees for 30 minutes, 15 minutes aside. This is after our first 15 minutes. And now we're gonna go ahead and flip the chicken over. Once we flip that over, obviously, when we're putting it back in the air fryer at 380 degrees for another 15 minutes. So while that chicken is cooking for the last 15 minutes, we're gonna start making our buffalo sauce. Now I'm starting with 4 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Now the hot sauce I'm using is Texas Pete. You can use Frank's. I prefer Texas Pete or Louisiana or even like a Tapatio. I'm not too fond of the sourness or the vinegariness of the Frank's Red Hot. So that's really up to you on what type of hot sauce you want to use, and that will also change your flavor profile a little bit. Now once we combine our butter and our hot sauce, we're gonna get that nice orange, that reddish orange color that we know. When we see that, it's buffalo chicken wings, but obviously these are lemon pepper buffalo wings, so we gotta add about another 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasonings. This is our chicken, perfectly cooked, 30 minutes in the air fryer. So depending on what air fryer you do or you have, when you check your chicken, if you want to know it's cooked, make sure it's cooked to about 170 degrees internal temperature, and dunk that chicken. Dunk it twice, dunk it 3 times. Just make sure it gets coated in that beautiful lemon pepper buffalo sauce. There you have it. That's my lemon pepper buffalo chicken wings. Now all that chicken's been coated. I've probably dunked it in there about maybe 3-4 times. Whatever sauce you have left over, if you got eaten this with some fries, go ahead and pour that on some fries. It tastes absolutely delicious. But thank you very much for tuning into What's in the Pot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below, do you like drums, do you like flats, do you like the whole wing? I prefer the whole wing. Till next time, peace.